Apple's Far Out event is just around the corner and the company is expected to take the wrap of the purported iPhone 14 series on September 7. Here are 14 points that briefly describe everything that we have learned about the Apple's upcoming handset over the past few months and what you can expect from the event. Firstly, Apple has announced that it is holding the Far Out event this year on September 7. The company is expected to launch the iPhone 14 series of smartphone alongside the iPhone 14 models. The Cupertino-based technology company is expected to unveil a new generation of Apple Watch model, which may be called the Apple Watch Series 8. The series is said to be a Pro variant that could be a rugged offer for sports enthusiasts. Second, the iPhone 14 series are expected to include four models: iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max. The ones with the Max suffix are said to come with a large display as compared to the other two. Apple is also expected to make the distinction in terms of the hardware between the Pro and non-Pro models. Third, iPhone 14 rumors have suggested that this year will mark the changes in the iPhone design. Apple has been followed the same notch design since the launch of the iPhone X. While there have been minor changes in the size of the notch with the iPhone 13 series, the iPhone 14 models are expected to come with the peel-shaped and hole punch cutout. It is to be noted that Apple's Face ID technology will remain the only biometric option to unlock the smartphone. The iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro are said to come with 6.1-inch display and the iPhone 14 Max and Pro Max might feature 6.7-inch panel. Fourth point, as mentioned, Apple was able to reduce the size of famous notch over the years, but it appeared to be ready to remove the notch for the good. A report suggested that the Cupertino-based company might have used a patent light folding projector in order to reduce the notch and fit the sophisticated Face ID technology in the peel-shaped cutout. The cutout is said to have the various components including a camera, an infrared light emitter and the light folding elements that could have capabilities of redirecting the IR light and might have allowed the Apple to offer more display area. Fifth, remember we mentioned distinction in terms of the hardware between the Pro and non-Pro models. Reports have suggested that the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro models will be powered by new A16 Bionic chip, while the iPhone 14 and 14 Max will pack with the A15 Bionic chip that is available on current iPhone 13 devices. What could be the reason for it? 6. iPhone 14 price is probably the most asked question in the coming days. To be frank, there has been a lot happening too on the front. Some reports suggested that the iPhone 14 Pro models will cost $100 more than the iPhone 13 Pro models. 7th, great camera have been synonymous with the iPhone models and iPhone 14 series is also reported to raise the bar again. Apple is expected to incorporate 48 megapixel main camera sensor. It is also said to offer upgraded ultra-wide camera due to the inclusion of 1.4 ultra megapixel size image sensor versus iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max's 1.0 ultra megapixel. 8. The iPhone 14 series is also expected to come with the support for 30-watt wired charging. The iPhone 13 Pro seems to support 23-watt and iPhone 13 Pro Max supports charging via up to 27-watt USB PD adapters. 9th, satellite and the upcoming iPhone 14 lineup might have a new connection, which could be announced on September 7. Various reports have indicated that the Apple is working on a way to communicate with the people even when there is no cellular coverage. Or the company reportedly concluded the hardware test of the satellite communication feature on iPhone 14 even before it entered mass production. The same feature has been reported to be included on the rumored Apple Watch Pro as well. 10th, Apple announces iOS 16 at WWDC earlier this year and said it will be released alongside the iPhone 14 series. You can read out the coverage on the cosmetic features as well as the security enhancement that iOS 16 will bring. 11. A mentioned Apple September 7 launch event may also see the debut of the purported Apple Watch Series 8 and the Apple Watch Pro. Reports suggested that the Apple Watch Series 8 could be offered in 41mm and 45mm case size. A Pro model is also said to come with the satellite communication feature and the sport a 47mm design with a flat screen. 12. One more thing, the iPhone 14 is tipped to be offered in a green, purple, blue, black, white and red color options, while the iPhone 14 Pro are expected to come in green, purple, silver, gold and graphite shade. We expected to find out more information on the colors option in the coming days. 13. An illegal iPhone 14 Pro video is being circulated on the Chinese social media platform Weibo and shows the rumored pill-shaped notch in use. The illegal video shows that the iPhone 14 Pro will come with an option with allow user to switch between a unified pill notch or a split pill-shaped hole punch cutout. 14. Apple AirPods Pro 2 is rumored to launch at the upcoming Apple event on September 7. As per new report from the Bloomberg Mark Gurman, the original AirPods Pro handset was launched in the 2019 and a rumored successor has been the news from some months now. So what you guys think about the iPhone 14 series? Tell your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, just comment below and we will answer them soon. Also give the video thumbs up and make sure to share with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling. And I will see you in the next one.